I'm Senior Vice President of Corporate Development at ShareCare, a health and wellness social network that connects patients and providers. I've had a career in financial services, for the most part, in public accounting, investment banking, and venture capital. So it's been great to get on the other side of the table and enjoy ShareCare and really helping build that business. For most of my career, I've worked in extremely male-dominated industries, where I was not only the only woman at the table, I was the only woman in the room. So when I joined ShareCare, we have as many female leaders as male. Our management meeting, as many women as men sitting at the table. So it's really great to see the types of careers that women can build in healthcare. What I tell young women in particular who are in early stages of their career is, just focus on what your goals are and try to ignore the negativity in the workplace or anything that deters you from reaching those goals. And maybe more importantly is take a seat at the table, not along the walls of the table or in the corner or in the back, but sit at the table. A woman's voice is relevant, it's important. Usually women that have an opinion have thought about it, they've researched it, and so that voice needs to be heard. So I think women should make it heard. It's a huge honor to be here, especially from an organization the caliber of HBA. I've been in or touched on healthcare in different capacities for my entire career, and it's a fascinating time to be here. Our industry is changing. Every level of our industry is changing, and so to be a small part of what could be making this country healthier is just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So the timing of the recognition is really special too.
I'm the Chief Transformation Officer at Piedmont Healthcare, and people typically ask what that is, and it's probably most directly related to a Chief Strategic Officer. So I try to look forward for the organization and think about where we'll be 5 or 10 years from now and help us understand that journey from the board's perspective and the leadership's perspective, and hopefully our employees' perspective too. What makes someone a strong leader? I think that it's someone who is really grounded in their beliefs and their values, builds and listens to a strong team, and moves an organization decisively towards a well-articulated and communicated vision. Women have to be about 120% ready to take the next step, and our male counterparts about 20% ready to take the next step. We can learn something from those men, by the way. And so in many cases, I think it's a mentor or a sponsor that taps the woman on the shoulder and either recognizes a skill or an attribute that she has that she's not fully leveraging, or pushes her to a position that she might not have thought she was ready for. And so from a mentoring perspective, I think it's very, very important to have someone that's willing to give you that little nudge. When I heard that I was nominated for the Leadership Award for HBA, I was surprised because I didn't know anything about the nomination. I was certainly honored to be recognized by the organization and really proud to be able to have a platform to talk about something that I'm very passionate about, and really interested to meet the other women who were also nominated, because I think that's a wonderful opportunity for networking and relationships.